So behind us stands what used to be the world's tallest gnome, but now he's the third tallest, and he's how tall?
He's 13.5 feet tall.
Yeah, 13.5 feet tall, and his name is Gnome Chomsky. We're gonna get a better look at this guy in a second here. So hang on.
Here, look. Look at this.
He's a tall dude.
Wonder where you sleep tonight. Wonder if love gets you high while I'm drowning in the city lights. Drowning like the stars in the sky.
I'm wearing a gnome hat. Actually, here's something you don't get to see very often. It's hindsight.
This is the back of the gnome.
The back side of the gnome. We're going in the Clemson Brewery, but we've never been here before.
And it's in New Palz, New York.
Yes, it's in New Palz, New York. And we're going in now. Here are the beers, and Lori's going to point to them. So we have Blueberry Gunny, and we have Sunset, and we have Trinity Test, and Hoppy Ending. So we're going to start with Blueberry GUNX, I think it is. This is Blueberry GUNX.
So actually that's a wheat beer.
This is a wheat beer, but it's a blueberry wheat. Very blueberry-y, blueberry. Those are ours. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we have pretzels. Beer and pretzels.
So I will tell you, the blueberry
Yes.
is a 5%.
Blueberry's a 5. It's good. It's light. And it's very fruity because it's blueberry EE. Yeah.
I wish you were here. I wish you were mine forever.
Actually, I kind of like it though because it's very much a summer beer. Light and fruity.
Double sauce. Yep.
Oh.
Try a pretzel. Ooh, Bavarian pretzel and cheese.
So it's
We can double dip because we don't care.
horseradish mustard. Let's do that. And then this must be added to IPA cheese.
The IPA cheese is really, really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the horseradish.
You can eat stuff and smoke inside your ear. No, see, are you serious?
I just inhaled through my nose. That's like a mistake, like wasabi. It's kind of like wasabi hop. Yeah, you gotta be careful.
I don't know if I can trust you. Or you're kidding.
Just don't breathe through your nose. I didn't. It was very painful. My nose hairs are gone. All right, the Clemson brothers.
Cheers.